Infrared (IR) technology refers to the use of infrared light, which is part of the electromagnetic spectrum, for various applications such as communication, sensing, imaging, and remote control. Infrared radiation has wavelengths longer than those of visible light, making it invisible to the human eye. IR technology is utilized in diverse fields, including electronics, telecommunications, thermal imaging, and more. Here's an overview of how infrared technology works and its common applications. How infrared technology works. Infrared spectrum. The electromagnetic spectrum includes infrared radiation with wavelengths ranging from approximately 700 nanometers to 1 millimeter. This spectrum is divided into near-infrared, near, mid-infrared, MIR, and far-infrared, FIR, regions, each serving different purposes. Thermal radiation. Objects emit infrared radiation based on their temperature. This thermal radiation is commonly used in infrared technology for applications like thermal imaging, where the heat emitted by objects is detected and translated into a visible image. Infrared communication. Infrared communication involves transmitting data using infrared light. In consumer electronics, infrared is often used for remote controls. When a button is pressed on the remote, it emits coded infrared signals that are received by a sensor on the target device, e.g., a TV or DVD player, triggering the corresponding action. Infrared sensors. Infrared sensors can detect the presence or absence of infrared radiation. Passive infrared (PIR) sensors, for example, are commonly used in motion detectors. When a warm object, such as a person, enters the sensor's field of view, it detects the change in infrared radiation and triggers an action. Infrared imaging. Infrared imaging, or thermography, captures the heat radiation emitted by objects and represents it as a visual image. This is widely used in applications such as night vision devices, medical diagnostics, building inspections, and industrial maintenance. Infrared spectroscopy. Infrared spectroscopy analyzes the absorption, emission, or reflection of infrared light by materials to identify their composition. This is employed in chemical analysis, material characterization, and scientific research. Infrared astronomy. Infrared astronomy involves observing celestial objects in the infrared part of the spectrum. Infrared telescopes can detect objects that emit less visible light, providing insights into phenomena such as star formation, planetary atmospheres, and distant galaxies. Infrared heating. Infrared heaters emit infrared radiation to heat objects directly without heating the surrounding air. This method is used in applications like cooking appliances, industrial processes, and outdoor heaters. Applications of infrared technology. Remote controls. Infrared is widely used in consumer electronics for remote control devices. Night vision devices. Infrared imaging allows for seeing in low light conditions, such as military night vision goggles or thermal cameras. Thermal imaging. Infrared cameras capture thermal radiation for applications like building inspections, industrial monitoring, and medical diagnostics. Motion detection. Infrared sensors are used in security systems, automatic doors, and motion-activated lighting. Communication. Infrared communication is employed in devices like TV remote controls and data transfer between devices. Medical imaging. Infrared technology is used in medical applications, including detecting abnormalities in tissues and monitoring body temperature. Astronomy. Infrared astronomy enables the study of celestial objects that emit more infrared radiation than visible light. Material analysis. Infrared spectroscopy is used for chemical analysis, identifying substances based on their infrared absorption or emission patterns. In summary, infrared technology harnesses the properties of infrared radiation for a wide range of applications, from communication and sensing to imaging and scientific research. Its versatility makes it a valuable tool in various industries and fields.